Hi, in this video I would like to show you our data validations that we have while you upload your type 86 file, and I would like to show you how you can validate the HTS code. So once you've logged into your account, under your type 86 dashboard you have an option to upload. So now you will see different options to upload your files, including the type 86 upload option. So under the type 86 upload option, so select this option if you are uploading the type 86 data, upload data from file, select your file. And the first thing you will see is the mapping tool. So this is a great tool for you to use if you'd like to use your own template. And what you can do here is you can map your columns to our columns. If any of the columns haven't mapped correctly, you can just select the correct one. But since I'm using our template, I don't have to go through these steps, and I can just go ahead and click review. And you will see your data on this table here, and this is where you will find the data validation. So what you can do, you can actually see the rows with problems. So you can check if your file has any issues, and I can see 2 rows have issues here, and I can see that the HTS number is not at the 10-digit level, so I can go ahead and one more digit here, and then you can see that I'm missing the line item value here, which is mandatory. So the data validation will tell you if you're missing any mandatory fields, if you're exceeding the character limit, and this one, it will not tell you if the HTS number is valid or not. You can actually use our review HTS codes tool, which I will show you shortly. So once you've corrected your data here, so you don't have to go back to your file to correct the data, you can actually do it on the screen, and you can check again, and now you can see you've corrected everything, and you can also see the modifications that you've done here. And then once you are ready, you can go ahead and click continue to upload the file. And now it will upload the file to my type 86 dashboard. As you can see, I've uploaded 4 house bills, and system generated 4 entry numbers for them. And now what you can do is, before sending it to CBP, you can actually review your HTS codes, and you can validate them as well. So you can see out of 4 you have 3 that are valid and 1 is not valid. And you can also use this option to just see the invalid HTS codes. So what you can do here is you can select the HTS code which is not valid, and you can replace it with the valid one. And then once you have the valid HTS code, you can just click replace, and it will replace that HTS code for you now. And now what you can do is you can go back. If you need to check again, you can do that here again as well. As you can see, all of them are valid. And then when you're ready to submit, you can basically select all the entries and click send to submit it to CBP. That's all for this video. Hopefully you found it useful, and thanks very much for watching.